Dear viewers, the topic which we will cover or discuss today is how Pakistan was losing East Pakistan 50 years ago. That is 1971, November 1971. There are a couple of things. The first is that since the military operation of March 25th, 1971, launched by the Pakistan Army in the then East Pakistan, when Awami League was banned, its leaders were arrested. India had certainly started helping out, and they raised the Mukti Bahini. Not only raised, but they also armed and trained Mukti Bahini against the Pakistani armed forces. It is true that it was basically a reaction against the military operation and the atrocities or the high-handedness that the Bengali population of the then East Pakistan was offended, humiliated. So the second thing is that it was on November 21st, perhaps on the Eid day 1971, when India launched a three-side attack on the then East Pakistan. Before November 21st, 1971, India was involved in the then East Pakistan. It used to shell fire on the armed forces of Pakistan deployed along the borders of the then East Pakistan. And then it took the Indian Army at least 6 months to prepare itself to launch an all-out offensive against East Pakistan. A lot has been written on that, like the book The Betrayal of East Pakistan by Lieutenant General retired A.K. Niazi, who was primarily the martial law administrator of East Pakistan. So efforts were made by the Pakistani forces to defend East Pakistan, but certainly there was no comparison between them and the Indian armed forces, and the local population being hostile in the Mukti Bahini. So taking advantages of the terrain as the monsoon had stopped, so it was a favorable situation. India launched an all-out offensive against East Pakistan from all sides, from the three sides. And from November 21st till December 3rd, that basically the time framework when there was no all-out war between India and Pakistan. But certainly the Indian attack against East Pakistan was noticeable, and the Indian forces were exerting pressure on the Pakistani forces so that they were able, the strategy was basically to occupy a territory of the then East Pakistan, a small territory or whatever the territory, and then to declare an independent Republic of Bangladesh, which the regime of Yahya Khan, General Yahya Khan, had strictly prohibited and had instructed General Niazi and others, the East Pakistan government, that under no condition India should be allowed to occupy a territory and to declare the territory as independent Bangladesh. So 21st of November till 3rd December, when India had launched its offensive against the then East Pakistan, in the third week, second week of November 1971, the East Pakistan government and the district administration of Dhaka had asked to construct trenches around Dhaka so as to defend and protect itself from the air raid and things like that. So it was all clear that India was bent on attacking East Pakistan. So 50 years ago, that is how on November 21st, when India attacked East Pakistan, undeclared war against East Pakistan, against Pakistan as such. Therefore, the Pakistani armed forces deployed in the then East Pakistan, as they were under pressure since March 1971, were unable to cope with the Indian attack and the Mukti Bahini attack, and that led to their retreat to the extent that they lost Jessore. They started losing districts in North Bengal, and also as far as territories around along Brahmanbadia and Comilla and Sylhet. But they were able to maintain their control over the major towns and cities of East Pakistan. So, dear viewers, we need to understand that 50 years ago it was the time when Pakistan had almost lost East Pakistan in November 1971, although the all-out war began on 3rd December and the surrender took place of Pakistani armed forces in Dhaka on December 16th. But November 21st, 1971, the 8th day, perhaps the 8th day when India launched its attack, it was confident that it will be able to deep inside inside East Pakistan, it will be able to occupy territories in the then East Pakistan, which proved to be right. Therefore, we have to be mindful to the fact that not in December, but in November, that was a crucial month for Pakistan, but unfortunately, Pakistan government was unable to defend East Pakistan. Thank you very much.